When many people think of losing weight, one of the first things that comes to mind is getting a totally toned and taut tummy. After all, who doesn't want to be able to slip into a pair of jeans without having to deal with a muffin top? We hate to break it to you, but doing hundreds of crunches every day isn't the best way to lose belly fat. In fact, exercises that promote spot reduction just don't exist. However, exercise with little diet could help you reach your goals. In this video we going to talk about some exercises that help you tone your body. Before we start, make sure like and subscribe to Alpha Health channel and click the bell notifications for future contents. Now let's begin the video. Number 1, burpee. If you want to lose your gut, you need to work as many muscles as possible. The burpee does just that. The explosive exercise, which entails going from a push-up position to a jump and back to a push-up position, hits every muscle from head to toe. In fact, a study from the American College of Sports Medicine found that 10 fast-paced reps are just as effective at revving your metabolism as a 30-second all-out sprint, so you can burn your belly fat faster than ever before. Number 2, mountain climber. Think of the mountain climber as a moving plank. You perform a mini crunch when you explosively draw one knee into your chest. What makes this move so difficult, however, is that your core has to work overtime to keep your body stable and straight every time you lift a foot off of the floor. You can also do it interval style, making it a serious conditioning move to ramp up your heart rate and burn a ton of calories. Number 3. Butterfly crunch. Start by lying on your back. Put the soles of your feet together, as close to your body as possible. Bend your knees out to the sides. Place your hands behind your head. Make sure that your elbows are in line with your ears. Keep your back flat on floor, stomach muscles contracted, and curl your chest up a few inches off the floor. Repeat 10 times. Number 4, plank hip twist. Plank hip twists target the obliques and the transverse abdominal. You'll also get a little bit of upper body action because your shoulders and arms have to work to keep you steady. To get the most out of this exercise, focus on keeping the proper plank position. Raising your hips too far up into the air or letting them sag too much takes the focus away from the abs. Additionally, if you're swaying too much from side to side, chances are your abs aren't properly engaged. Number 6, Russian twist. Russian twist is one of the best ab exercises to work your obliques, the muscles on the side of your torso. If you keep your legs off the ground, you'll also work your lower abs. Beginners can perform this exercise without weights, and add dumbbells once they grow stronger. Number 6, stationary cycling. There's no single best form of cardio for weight loss. It's generally best to stick to whatever types of exercise you enjoy and will stick to. But stationary cycling is an excellent, relatively low-impact way to burn calories as part of a workout plan. Depending on your starting weight, you could expect to burn around 200 to 300 calories in half an hour. Plus you can try out different speeds, difficulty levels and even try for some HIIT cycling. You could even try a spin class to burn calories in a fun environment. Thank you for watching to this point. Please let us know which exercise you like the most. And don't forget like and subscribe for future contents.